Joy and Donny, they sent me a birthday present. And I was like so super excited and everything because I've been watching videos about the uteri and yogurt and everything. And, you know, that's gotten kind of expensive too and everything. And then, you know, the stores around here for some reason doesn't have just plain yogurt. It's got to have something else in it. And then watching different videos, different channels. So we were talking one night, and I'm just telling her about different, you know, yogurt makers. I didn't say a specific one or anything, but there was one that I was looking at and everything. And I said she sent me a text and says where to choose to put it. I'm like, front door. See, this is how the Lord works. He knows the desires of your heart. He placed it on somebody else's heart. They sent me a yogurt maker. This is called Premium Yogurt Maker, and it has the small jars in it. Yeah, right there, right here, and everything. I have not opened it up yet, but we do have 2 cans of coconut, and I have the cultures. So I'm putting the coconut milk in the fridge overnight so we can make yogurt tomorrow. So we're going to open this up. And see what this looks like. Okay, when I was talking about stuff I have, here's a purple sweet potato. I got the lemon, have an orange, and I've got a lime over there. So I'm just like, oh, that'd be fun to do, to sit there and make some different flavors with these, with the yogurt. I know Anastasia likes lemon, so we can do lemon. And then I've got some lemons in the fridge, and put the grate the lemon peel and put the lemon on top to show that it's a lemon flavor and everything. And I have an orange in here I could do the same thing with. And a lime I still have left. Ooh, that's going to be fun. And different flavors. So, and then also I have a cranberry. I forgot about I had a cranberry. I can do cranberry and then get some dried cranberries, put that on top, so everybody can see what different flavors we have. So, I am super excited. Alright, so here we go. All this cool stuff. Wow. Alrighty. So we got this book. We have this book. We have this book. I got a lot of reading to do. Alrighty. Let's take this out. Without. Alrighty. I've got to break the box down anyway. So let's just do that. So trying to get it out. There we go. And now I can just slide this out. So, whee! Okay. And the funny things. Work smarter, not harder. this is so cool. And even with this one, they've got things that you can buy if you want to make like great big ones, the round ones that go in here. And these got the little jars. This is so cool. These are nice size. Look at those. And they go right in here. I am so excited. New writing. And one more. And then you have your top that goes back on top of it. The foamy thing. Make sure you get all the fuzzy stuff off of it. Of course, I'm going to wash it all before I use it. And then this is nice because it has a temperature setting here on it. Up and down, function, start, time, cancel, temp, time, and everything. So this is awesome. I am so excited. It's like, yay. So I'll be washing all of it today, later on. Getting it all ready. I got some reading to do about this yogurt maker and everything. And I know they say about the temperature is 99 degrees, but I'm going to read this and see what it says, and then I'll bring y'all back along when we make yogurt. And like I said, I got some stuff from my Adiago teas that I got, like the cranberry powder and the orange powder, orange peel, and the lime, and maybe the purple sweet potato powder. Ooh, I wonder what that would taste like. Just exciting. So thank y'all for watching. Thank y'all for being here. God bless. Stay safe. We love y'all. And we'll see you in the next video.